There's a storm! Oh! No. A brainstorm, a brainstorm. I need ideas from you, okay? Ideas. So, I need your help. And we need to find things that are green, okay? Ooh. Things that are green. It works with any theme, okay? So, here, if you have an idea, you say, I have an idea! I have an idea!
I have an idea.
Okay, write it down, write it down.
I draw or?
You write it down.
Okay. Grass.
Oh, is grass green?
Yes.
Excellent, okay.
Oh, I have an idea.
I have an idea.
Thank you. A frog.
A frog.
A frog.
Is a frog green?
Yes.
So we can say, yes it is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, a frog.
Ooh, I have an idea. A leaf.
Is a leaf green?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, go, write it down. Okay. Excellent. So that's just one example, but we could do it with, things that we wear in winter. Okay? Things that we wear in winter. I have an idea. A scarf. Yes. Okay? And you can just do that with really any theme. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.